Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram on Android or iPhone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to turn on the dark mode on your Instagram, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to your profile and click on the three lines in the upper right corner, then scroll down and select accessibility. As you can see, I do not have the opportunity to choose a dark theme because I have an iPhone. If you have an Android, then here you can turn on the dark mode. If you have an iPhone, then close Instagram and go to settings. Scroll down and select the display and brightness. Turn on the dark mode and return to Instagram. As you can see, everything turned out. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.